Hey guys, good morning! Magandang umaga sa lahat. Good morning. Thank you, especially the team leaders from Dale, Markimon, CJ or Chino is here, and Edwin. One by one, I'm gonna call the team leaders because hindi ko to kaya guys without them, okay? Without the team leaders who helped me a lot. Okay, one more thing here is Nel Florendo. CLC is Panico Oliver. Clap your hands, guys, please. Cesar. Next to this one is Tom. Michael Morines. George. My friend, Bus Zimri. Elvin. And who is this guy here? Charles. And my friend RJ. Ryan Yato.